business leads out there. IT is going to upgrade Maximo. You're going from 7576 to the application suite. They're telling you it's a technical lift and shift. You're wondering what that means. You should be wondering. You should be researching. You should be looking into it. Why? Because there's a lot of opportunity for small changes in the shift from the 7 series to the application suite that will make your user life easier on the business side and might even save money for IT at the same time. The problem is no one's talking about it. Well, I am. Benetti is. Most people aren't talking about this. So you want to look at opportunities like deploying the new IBM mobile product. It works great. It's no additional license cost like it used to be. It works the way the techs work. It generates much more productivity on the business side. It reduces trouble tickets for the IT side. If you've bought a third-party mobile product, you're not going to need that anymore. You can offset that cost there and immediately start to see some efficiencies gained for your business team through the adoption of the mobile product. And IT is also going to see a cost saving, some ROI out of this. The other side of this is in automation capabilities in the new platform. The way that things now work and the power of the automation scripting is incredible. Lots of things that were historically being done in Java class files or database procedures can now be moved into automation scripts. And how does IT save here? Well, those other tools require processing power and they require upkeep. Once you move it into an automation script, it's written within the application, not outside of it, so it doesn't require touching anymore. There's no more upgrading it. It is upgraded automatically as part of the standard Maximo upgrade script. That means things run faster, they use less resources, it's less maintenance costs for IT going forward, and it's better performance for the business side. IT also has a lot of other opportunities that we talk about in another video. If they're not aware of that, as a business lead, you have the opportunity to bring that to the table to them as well and show them where they could be saving some on their AppPoint licensing or their database licensing. And hey, you're on the business side, you need some improvements, go be the hero. Help IT figure out how to give you what you need and generate some ROI at the same time. A lot more to talk about there, a lot of opportunities. It's deep water. Give us a call. Shoot us an email. Let's talk about your scenario, your individual situation, and what it looks like to make this happen for you. Get ready with Benetti.